like conditional formatting.
Style से sir.
Style, yes, style. But वहाँ पे word जुड़ा है ना conditional, right? Yeah, that
Yes.
means styling a document according to some certain conditions. Okay, समझ में है ना?
Yes sir.
Okay. Now see, it's very simple method. Okay. Now, as you could see, we have some marks of students here. Correct? है ना? यहाँ पे हमारे
हाँ सर.
पास we have some marks here. Now, what we want now, could you identify which students have scored distinction and which students have failed here? Can you identify easily?
No sir.
Not is
You can identify, right? You can see like, okay, it's above 80, so it is distinction. It is below 30, 40, so it is fail, right? We can identify this, but it is not easy to identify, correct? Now, here we just have 10 records, so we can search for it. But what about when we have thousands of records? Correct, no? So in that case, conditional formatting works. So what we can do actually, we can color some cells or we can highlight some cells according to some certain conditions. See how to do that. First of all, we will select the cells on which we want to apply that conditional formatting. So this is very important. So I have selected all these marks. Now what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click here, then highlight cell rules. See, we have a highlight cell rules here. And when I click on this highlight cell rules, I'll get so many rules here. So first of all, I would like to check which students are failed. Now for that, I'll just check less than. And what I will do, I'll just give the marks 40. Ayyo, my zero sometimes. I'll give 40. And now if you want this red, you are okay with this red, then okay with this red. All you can change by using custom format. Click here. I'll like fill the color with red, font with yellow color, make it a little bold, and click OK. And again click OK. Now see, now can you identify which students have failed now?
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Okay. Similarly, what we can do, like we can also identify which students have scored distinction marks on the same cells. So we can apply multiple conditions to the same cell. So again, I will select all these cells, go to this conditional formatting, and this time greater than 80. And here what I will do, go to custom formatting, borders of fill. I'll choose the screen color. Font color will be like yellow, and then click OK and OK. Now it is simple, no? Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is what conditional formatting is all about, where you can highlight your cells according to some certain conditions. Done? Okay.
Sir.
हाँ sir.
Now see where conditional formatting can work also. Now could you see this? This is a huge data, right? दिख रहा है आपको? Here we have some
Sir.
addresses. Now, if somebody asks you to search for the students who are coming from like Paliganj, or who are coming from Dulhin Bazaar, or who are coming from Hajipur, is it easy to identify here?
No.
No, sir.
No, no, it is not easy to identify here. So what we can do, see, I'll just select all the columns from here, okay? Then I'll go to this conditional formatting, highlight cell rules, and this time I will go to text that contains. So just I will click on this, and here I will write Paliganj. So whenever I write Paliganj and click OK, see, all the Paliganj are highlighted with red color. Now it is easy to identify the Paliganj students.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if I go to highlight and then again, what? Text that contains Dulhin Bazaar. So Dulhin, and this time what I will do, Dulhin, and I'll put it in a green color. Now see, now Dulhin Bazaar and Paliganj all are in different colors. Correct, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so you can use this feature to identify different cities in among मतलब जहाँ पे बहुत सारे text हो ना, तो within that text you can search. ठीक है? Clear? Shall we move